Okay, we're going to make some tomato juice. We got these right here that we just cored and peeled, our tomatoes. You'll need bottled water. That is 40 cores. Go ahead. You need bottled water for this. Ronnie's pouring the water in them. Now we're going to let these cook down. And we're going to put them on medium to start out with. Then when it starts boiling, we're going to turn it down on low. Let it cook for 2 hours. Yeah, need one more or two. Let's see how many more we need. I think that'll be enough. So we use 4 16.9 bottles of water. Okay. Now to this, we're going to add tomato bouillon powder. 4 tablespoons. Okay, and then after you get done, you need to strain it. And then you can jar it up. Or just put it in the refrigerator and drink it, either one. Okay, that's all. And that's what we showed you. Now, Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. We're going to show you how to make tomato juice out of scraps. And we'll be back. When we get ready to jar it up or put it in the refrigerator or whatever, we'll be back. We'll make a video about it. We're not going to leave the camera on for 2 hours because mine won't work like that. Or I would. And that way we can show it in time all the time, but we can't. Okay, after it starts boiling, you need to turn it down on low, like 2 or 3. Let it cook for 2 hours. Make sure you come back and forth and stirring it. Or you can use this for a recipe, either one you want. But you got to strain it out after you let it boil. And you might need more water. But you can't use sink water. You have to have bottled water from the store. That's in any recipe. Do not use your zinc water. In any recipe, you will have to have bottled water. And only use 5% vinegar in your recipes. 5%. Nothing else. When it comes to your friends and your family, you can't take no chances. You have to be safe. Make sure your hands is clean. Everything in your kitchen that you're going to use is clean. And when you get done with everything, wash it and put it back up. Okay, then when this boils, I'll be back to show you what we're going to do. Then we'll end the video. And when it gets done, we'll show you what it looks like. And I'll make another video to show you that. It might be a short. But I'm just warning you now, okay? And if you leave your stick like this right here, wooden one on top, it won't boil over. So I'll show you what it looks like when we get ready to start. It starts boiling. How we're able to do this, we bought 4 of these 20-pound boxes yesterday. Each box was $12, but if you got food stamps, they're $6. At Henry's Market in Duffield, Virginia. Okay, it's come to a royal boil now, so you need to turn it down on 4 and let it cook for 2 hours. And keep an eye on it because you do have to stir it now. You don't want it to burn or scorch. And you may have to add more water. Now, if you're going to can this up, you'll need lemon juice and a little bit of pickling salt. Only 1 tablespoon, that's it, of salt. And you'll need 100% pure lemon juice in a bottle from the store. I hope y'all like these recipes and try them. Canning is very hard. Now, we cut up 1 box last night, and we done everything we showed you on the first video of the ketchup video, but we put it in the freezer to freeze it for wintertime and add it to soups, whatever we're making. Okay, thanks for watching. We're going to end this video. Bye.